Now we'll talk about gender of nouns. We all know what is gender, and for Russian language, gender is a crucial thing. If we think from English perspective, then we have he, she, and it. And in English language, we need to think first, is object alive or not alive? And second, is it a boy or a girl? Let me call it this way. But in Russian language, usage of genders is much more interesting. Please look at the screen. During the course, we'll use various names of genders, but the meaning will be always clear. The thing is that in Russian, we don't try to find gender features of an object that we describe, but we take care mostly of the word and the way it is written. In other words, gender is not gender of a particular object, but gender of a word. Here you can see some examples. Он. Мальчик – это он. Стол – это он. Телефон – это он. Банан – это он. Китай – это он. Она. Девочка – это она. Чашка – это она. Машина – это она. Статуя – это она. Россия – это она. Оно. Вино – это оно. Окно – это оно. Море – это оно. Солнце – это оно. Монако – это оно. Please have a look at grammar table describing how do we define genders of nouns. You see that the trigger that helps us to define gender correctly is the ending. If at the end you see consonant or letter y, gender is masculine. If it is a or ya, gender is feminine. If it is o or ye, gender is neuter. Tricky one is soft sign. Most of the times we need to learn gender of words with soft sign at the end. Those rules that you see on the screen are general rules, and of course we do have some exceptions. Please look at the comment section under this video to see some of them. And of course, if we talk about international words that come to Russian language, sometimes it's almost impossible to find any gender features. But if you look at banana, for example, and switch your imagination, how do you think? Is it masculine or is it feminine word? If you really will switch your imagination, you will clearly understand why Russian language banana is called banan, without last a. Ask yourself if banana looks more like a girl or like a boy. Finally, there is a small self-check exercise for you. Please have a look at the screen, choose the best option, and find correct answers in the comments.